Hello and welcome to this Checkmate in 2 chess puzzle. This one was created by E. Cook in 1880. This continues the Cook series of counting to 9. So here we've got the symbol 1 with the black king and 2 pawns, the white king, a pair of knights, the queen, a pawn and a rook. It's white's turn. Can you see the checkmate in 2 for white? Moving your queen to g5 won't get you the checkmate in 2, but it is a mate in 3. Black king can move to d4. You can then take the pawn with your knight. Black king can't move, so they have to advance their pawn. Then you can move the queen in to just checkmate in 3. Moving your queen to g3 won't get you a mate in 2 unless the black king moves to f5, because then you can mate with the queen to g5 move. Instead, the king can move down to d4. You can then check with the queen, but the king has an escape square. Advancing the pawn to d4 is another mate in 3, but not 2, unless the black king moves to f5, because then you can mate with the queen. Instead, the black king can move to d5. Then you can just mate in 3 here. The king can't move, so they have to advance the pawn. Then you can move the knight to checkmate in just 3. Checking the king with the knight to d3 move is another mate in 3, but not 2. The black king moves to the right. You can chase it with the queen and get the mate in 3. If the black king moves to the left, you can move the knight, taking the pawn. The king takes the pawn back. You can take the pawn with your queen to just mate in 3. Okay, let's have a look at the solution to this one. So pause the video if you need some more time. To get the checkmate in 2 for white, you need to move the queen to c3. If the black king moves to f5, you can move the queen to f6 to get the mate in 2. If black decides to move their king to f4, you can again mate with the queen to f6 move, or you can also do rook to f7 to get the checkmate in 2. If the black king moves to d5, you can move your knight to f6 to get the checkmate in 2. Okay, that's the end of this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.